bless those poor people
Yeah.
in the Midwest and in Kentucky and Arkansas. So anyway, any more situations for them as well as us?
Well, we do have rain that's going to move in. You heard that there in the piece. They're going to see some rain starting as early as tomorrow for them. It doesn't look like anything that is severe, though, coming their way. They will get another cold front for the weekend. Same front that we're going to get this weekend. It's going to increase our rain chances as well. We're going to keep an eye on the risk for some strong storms here, but I want to go back and talk about why these storms were pretty intense and how these tornadoes actually form. You'll be able to notice here, it's really, really interesting. Of course, you've got to have warm and cool air, but in December, when we're talking about warm air, temperatures rose into the 70s there in Kentucky, and that all happened during the course of the evening. So you got this warm air and a strong wind picking up out of the south and southeast. But then you have this colder air in the mid-levels of the atmosphere moving in. The change in the temperature, the change in the wind direction begins to generate an increased wind and also starting to create rotation as well. Initially, it's moving in the horizontal direction, but as the winds get more and more pronounced and tighter and increase, that horizontal wind becomes more vertical, and that begins to lift up into the storm, and eventually a tornado forms out of that. And what made the storm, especially the one that went through Mayfield, it was a supercell storm. It was a long track storm, and it didn't have anything stopping it. There weren't any other areas of precipitation occurring, and that's why this storm was able to last for a very long time. We know EF3 damage at least from Mayfield, Kentucky, going all the way up into central Kentucky. They are still looking to see if it's going to be considered the longest path ever on record. Speaking of storms, we have a risk for some isolated strong storms on Thursday. This looks to be a very low end chance. I could see the slight risk perhaps developing a bit more into Arkansas. We'll keep an eye on that for us here at home. Back here today, highs into the mid 70s, quite warm in East Texas, and right now we're looking at temperatures right around 70 degrees. Radar for us, generally quiet. Can't rule out a couple of light showers that may pass through our area. For tomorrow, we are warming up. We're going to get close to 80 degrees in the afternoon. Strong southerly wind at about 20 miles an hour. This is going to get us very close to record levels. Tyler, record 81. I think Longview could tie the record for you there on Wednesday. 80 degrees going back to 2019. Lufkin, 81 for tomorrow afternoon, and we'll have some gusts 25 to near 30 into the afternoon hours. We look ahead to that storm chance on Thursday. This is not going to impact everyone, mainly north of Highway 79, and it's going to take some heating in the afternoon for us to see a couple of these storms. Notice how they're more significant perhaps into Arkansas, but we could have a couple of brief stronger thunderstorms here. Not everybody sees rain on Thursday. It's Saturday, especially Saturday morning, that more widespread rain is expected with our next cold front. That is going to drop us in temperatures from near 80 on Friday to afternoon temperatures in the 50s on Saturday. Things look to dry out for the most part by Sunday. Here's Deep East Texas. We're going to continue to stay very warm. We'll look for those rain chances to pick up a lot more to start the weekend.
All right, Marcus, thank you.
Sports right now.